Hey everyone, it's here. I have finally got a decent welding helmet. You get your welder and then they give you like this helmet, which, you know, it's free. You can't complain about that really. It's done me for a while, but I've read so much about this helmet. You know, you can visibly see the pool, the colouring, everything's a lot better with this Lincoln, so it's got to be good. That's just really an unboxing. So I've got myself a cheetah lens. Getting older, eyesight's getting a bit worse for the wear, you know, so why not? I don't have to wear them glasses underneath. I can put this on, so when I'm doing that close-up work, I've got that visibility and sharpness. I've got to be truthful about this. I have actually taken this out already and I've peeled the stickies off the front because I just couldn't contain myself. It just had to be done. Anyway, let's have a look. This is called the Mojo from Lincoln. This is the Mojo is the actual design. Says it there, but this is the Gen 4 version and it's got this grinder button on the side, and that's why I wanted it. So you got a big screen. They've updated it with the new head harness. There's a lot of changes on there, but yeah, it was mainly that grinder button, so you can punch that and then you know, you don't have to take the helmet off and put glasses on or anything else, and you've still got that visibility and protection. It's looking pretty shiny. So that's cool. I'm looking down here and I'm seeing, so here we have a bag. It's going to maintain it and keep it into that pristine condition. Trusty old Milwaukee again. Love this. Just so you got the blade. It's just you know, easy to swap out and change. You've got a cable part there, which when you fold it away, there's the blade there, and you've got 4 different blades in there. Absolutely fantastic. Let's have a look here. That's awesome. That's awesome. It's nicely lined. Absolutely, you just can't complain about that. And it's got a zipper on there as well for all your different bits. I'm chuffed to bits with that, and because you've got 2, you can chuck it over your shoulder like a rucksack. Absolutely brilliant. There we go, packed away nice and sorted. Right, let's get see what else we've got in here, and then we can get rid of this box. Got bandanas by the looks of it. Yep, bandanas, Foos Design, Chip Foos, Lincoln Electric. I'll keep them in the bag. I think there's a couple in there. You got the red and the black, so I'd say that there's 2 in there. Helmet sticker sheet. So there we go. All of them are stickies. Nice. The instructions, so we can read to our heart's content. The register, so there, and battery. Obviously that's, I don't know whether that's a spare one or whether that's just the main one that you got to put in. We'll find out. And then just a lot of lenses. So, and silica gel. I'll just lens off and we'll put the box down. This is going to make my life a lot easier. If you could help us out, please subscribe. There's affiliate links in the description. Thanks very much. Cheers.